Hey guys, this is Aaron here talking to you guys about the XL GrowPlay playset, which I installed right behind me. Let's go take a look and see what are the pros and cons of this playset. So far, it's been very good. It's totally worth the money, but some issues that I ran into, I will demonstrate and show you what you need to pay particular attention to when building this playset for the first time. All right, so let's take a look at this. So you can see right here, this is the playset itself. I have it on a slanted hill a little bit, so I don't have the modifiers that you can get for it. But one of the things that I'd like to point out is that these brackets right here, okay, very strong brackets. You want to make sure when you're installing these brackets, pay particular attention to that these brackets themselves have to be slid on prior to installing that. Okay, it's not a big deal, thank God, because everything is modular, which means you can unscrew these two screws right here, and then you can pull this pipe out and then slide them back on. But let me tell you, if you have to put this on top of that by trying to clamp it on, it's going to be one hell of a time and not very fun at all to do so. The other thing too that I had an issue with was making sure that these brackets here and here down below were level and even. As you can see, it's almost even for the most part, if I can get there, but it's a little bit cockeyed. It's angled down a little bit, just a little bit, because the kids were horsing around and they were up here with that. But other than that, this thing is a rock solid construction. All the ropes and stuff are super durable, super tight, good quality products, solid metal, powder coated, good grips. It's not going anywhere. I mean, there is some play to the playset when I shake it around, but honestly, it's not gonna go anywhere. It's totally safe for all the kids to do things. The other thing too to think about when doing this is to look at the where the placement is, whether they're above these screw holes or below them. So that was another factor to consider when doing these, to make sure that these dip bars were beveled in or beveled out. As you can see, if I were to get down, they're pretty even as best I could, but again, I'm on a slanted sloped area, so I have to dig into the ground a little bit. And I wish I did this earlier, but I was in a time crunch to get this thing kind of set up and moved around. But again, good thing that this is modular, nothing to worry about. You can dig around, you can remove the pipe. It's only going to take a couple screws. I can move this thing around, dig down, and reset. They come with great pins. They're 10-inch pins that do go in the ground. This one is not nailed in right now because I plan on moving this pipe just ever so slightly out, just to refix the ground here and get it all leveled out and stuff like that. I wish I did that prior to, and you can see that this catches a little bit of dirt stuff, but so far so good. What else do we got here? Up top here, canopy. The kids absolutely love this thing. This is their hideout spot. This for sure is a great place to do this with a net here, as you can see. And we got the extended fire pole that comes out and down, totally smooth. The directions, let's see here, are a little bit wonky when setting this up, but to be honest with you, it's very well constructed. No worries from left to right. The build quality is great, and that's all I gotta say. So if I were to say anything to anybody about this stuff, for sure this is a worthwhile investment to use the GrowPlay system, whether you're doing it indoors for therapy or indoor play place, or you're going to do it for exterior play places. It's worth it. It's really good. The instructions are a little bit, I would say very little bit difficult to understand. My advice to you with the instructions is to look at the top right hand corner, and they'll tell you what box the items are in. And it also combines an XL and a large set on the same instructions, which I think they should have did separately, even though they're very similar, just to keep them separate. So if you buy the large set, you get the large instructions. You buy an XL set, you get the XL instructions, but they combine them together because they're very similar, minus a couple things, which did screw me up when I got to making one of the pole sets for the salmon ladder here, or the ladder here, I should say, the monkey bars. But beyond that, I had no issues. The tools are fantastic to use. They don't strip, they don't wear down. If you screw up, you can unscrew something, put it together, and do that. I did it all by myself. The only part I had a problem and I needed somebody to help with me was to raise the monkey bars, which is the main frame right here, to raise this up and over, you know, and put it together, and then just push it up, and then, you know, make sure it's like leveled and stuff like that. But this is the XL GrowPlay playset, and it is awesome. All the modular systems on here are awesome. I only don't know what the same, you know, this little ladder thing is going to be here for. I mean, it's kind of nice to have something on a pole there, but I don't know. Even the rope that comes with it is out. I took it off because the kids like the rings instead, and they like the monkey bars and the other rings, and it's a great swing set. I mean, the kids go nuts on it, and it's only been up for 2 days now, and that's it. So thanks for watching, and I hope you get yourself a GrowPlay playset. Doesn't matter what size or what kind, you can always add on to it. You can always add on. You can expand as much as you like, or contract, or whatever you want. If your budget's tight, they got a budget for it, which is great. It's powder coated, galvanized steel. It's gonna last you a long time, more than your traditional wood products that are out there. I did a lot of research on there, whether you have cedar, pine, pressure treated lumber, all that stuff will rot in time, whereas this stuff is gonna last you a lot longer. And if there is a nick or a scratch on it, they do sell paint that you can spray paint the stuff with, just to give it a little bit of more longevity. But it's gonna last you a long time, given the fact, as long as you don't scratch into it really hard, because, you know, it is steel, and it will rust, but if you take care of it, it will take care of you, and there's no chance of it having fractured, broken, or bent. And if it does something like that, for whatever reason, you can get a replacement part and just buy that part specifically, and they will ship it out to you, and you can just like unscrew something and bolt it back on, and voila. So there you go. And if I wanted to expand on this, I could totally expand to whatever depth or length I want, or any direction I want, using the same setup they have there. And they're always coming out with different modules here and there. Sorry for the bugs. It's getting dark out and the bugs are starting to come out right now. So enjoy yourself and get yourself a GrowPlay playset. Bye.